Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back in Tjmaxx, and up here at the front they have a few of their fall pumpkins, just a lot of glass pumpkins. They have a lot of Halloween items up here as well. So I just walked in, so we're going to walk around and see what items they have here. These are some real pretty pumpkins here. They also have these Halloween baskets here. These are $3.99. They have the baskets, trick or treat. These are $5.99. This one says Hocus Pocus. And that one says Hey Boo back there. But those are some really nice little bags for Halloween. Alright, so I haven't been to this Tjmaxx in a long time. But they have some very nice little pillows here. Look at those. This is by, I don't see the make of the pillow. This is $19.99. They have the spiders. $19.99 for those. Let's see, they have some kitchen towels down here. You get a set of 3, $9.99. Here's some bath towels right here, hand towels by Rae Dunn. You get 2 of those. It says Hey Bootiful, and the other one on the back says the same. These are $12.99. Alright, so Rae Dunn has some Halloween throws out. These are $16.99. This one says Trick or Treat with the pumpkins. They also have one in black as well. Some more pillows here. They have these ones, which are going for $19.99. So I'm seeing that all of the pillows are $19.99. This little gnome right here, $12.99. And they have some of these pillows right here. These are $19.99 as well. Some of the little ghosts up there, $14.99 for those. Really cute. And they have that little ghost up there hiding in the back. It says Boo. Really nice. All right, so some more Halloween pillows. This one says Boo. They have a lot of gnomes, Halloween gnomes. This one is $19.99 with the little polka dotted hat. They have a few up there at the top up there for $12.99, if you guys can see those. Here is another pillow for $19.99. The gnomes are on the back of the gray truck, $19.99 for those. They have this this pillow right here with the web. Some black and white check pillows for $12.99. Some pumpkins here. And here are some more pillows down here. These are going for $24.99 for those. All right, so on this table here, there's a lot of wooden items for Halloween, some decor. They have this here, and it actually lights up. They have the mummy. They have Jack Skeleton back there, $24.99 for him. A lot of these little wood bats here. The little bat logs. These are going for, let's see here, $19.99 for those. This decor right here, I am definitely not going to pick that up. It's very heavy. And they have the hat back here as well. Alright guys, so look at all of these characters right here. I'm just going to scan this section right here and let you guys see all of the items. A lot of these range in between $7.99 to $24.99. Look at those. Look at her, or him. He is going for $14.99. Look at this little guy right here. He's $12.99. And they have a lot of gnomes for Halloween with the pink hats. Happy Halloween. They have some Mickey and Minnie's back there. They're $24.99. They have their little Halloween costumes on. Right here in this section right here, they have a lot of the different color pumpkins. Mr. and Mrs. Some of the ceramic pumpkins. I see black. They also have some fall pumpkins as well. They have these scatters right here. I also see some orange ones right here. These are $7.99. Some more pumpkins. I see some wood ones. This little cute gnome right here. How cute is this little gnome right here? I'm not sure. He could be for fall. $7.99 for him. He's really cute with his little sunflower. This little girl right here, she's $16.99. More pumpkins. But it's a lot of them up here, guys. Look at them. All right, so some more Halloween decor. These boots are $19.99. Here's some more gnomes, $9.99. This little girl right here, she's $14.99. And there are the Minnie and the Mickeys up there at the top up there, if you guys can see those. They have all of those items up there at the top up there. This set of skeletons right here, skeletons in the closet, $16.99 for those. All right, so they have these stackable yardsticks here for $16.99. And how cute are these right here? The little ceramic little jars right here that says rotten. And these are $7.99 by Ray Dunn. They have a lot of the cookie cutters here. You have those. These are going for $5.99. Let's see. The gold pumpkins. They have the skeleton heads, the skeleton containers. $4.99 for those. All right, so they have some disposable cups. You get 12 of these. And let's see, the price of those are going for $4.99. So they have different ones. This one says Witch's Brew. They have this one right here. This one right here. All of these cups are, did I say $5.99? Yeah, $4.99 for those. How cute is this right here? This little faux plant with the ghost, $9.99. Here's some more of the tumblers right here by Ray Dunn, Pumpkin Spice, $14.99. I see Pumpkin Queen back there. Some more travel cups. A lot of decor up here at the top. The witch up there at the top. They have the ghost up there, the ghost family. Just a lot of nice items, guys, that they didn't have last year. This right here actually lights up. Really cute. $24.99 for that. All right, so some more Halloween decor, $12.99 for this haunted church. They have this right here, $5.99. There's a skeleton in the closet again. I showed you guys earlier. And look at these, guys. These are actual lamps. I hope I don't drop these. So this is what it looks like. When you turn it on, it has little different sayings on the inside. This one says boo. Some of them have bats, skeletons on the inside. And these are going for, I think it's $24.99. $24.99, and this is what they look like. They have Jack skeleton up there at the top up there. Just a lot of pumpkins, a lot of Halloween decor. They have paper items down here. Look at this pumpkin right here, the candy corn pumpkin. They have this one right here. These little Anna Lee dolls right here, which are, I think he's $12.99. Some more pumpkins. All right, so on this end cap right here, more Halloween decor. This little mummy faux plant here, really cute, $7.99. These are nice. Those are by Rachel Zoe. Just a lot of decor for Halloween. They have all of the different color skeletons back there, the pink, the black, the burgundies. Here's one that glows in the dark here. Some more gnomes. Some little ghost figurines back there in the back. And up here at the top are all of the bigger items. They have the Mickey up there for $24.99. Look at this guy right here. He actually lights up. Not sure his price. They have a lot of gnomes this year. Here's that boo. The little ghost that says boo. And this little guy right here. More Jack skeletons up here. And they have a lot of fall candles out as we speak now as well. I see this one here, pumpkin chai, trick or treat, fall, y'all. They also have these back. This one right here is a salted caramel. I don't see any more. Let's see, this is a salted caramel mocha. Here's one here that says vanilla latte. Let's see if I can find any other ones. Here's one right here. This is a caramel Moscato, if I'm saying that right. I know I'm not. And I know somebody's gonna tell me in the comments I said it wrong. Let's see anything else. So those are the only three that I see at this particular location. More Halloween. Salt and pepper shakers the night before Christmas. Really cute. These are going for $12.99. All right, so I really wanted to come in here and see all of the different candles, different coffees they had for fall. So this is a pumpkin latte, and all of these are going for $5.99. They have a bourbon maple. Let's see what else they have. They have some pumpkin spice latte here by the Peanut Gang. Here is a Afterlife chocolate mummy special cocoa. Here's another pumpkin medium roasted ground coffee. Let's see what else they have. Happy fall, y'all. This is a pumpkin spice as well. I've been seeing a lot of these little Joffrey coffees here that has the Disney characters on the front. This is a not so scary pumpkin. All right, so they have some kitchen items here as well. They have this little pot right here that says Boo. They have these little sponge holders right here with the ghost. There's a Mickey dispensers there. These are going for $12.99. They have this monster right here. They have these trick or treat mugs right here by Ray Dunn. These are $14.99. This says got treats. They have some of those which are really nice for fall. These little ceramic jars here or pitchers. These are $12.99. Here's a container, the Witch's Inn. And here's some more containers right here, skulls and bones and Happy Halloween. They also have a free mugs out by Ray Dunn. This says Haunted in Orange. These are $7.99. Poor Unfortunate Souls. Let's see, I'm not sure the price of those. These are $9.99. She has some beer mugs out as well. Here's a mug that says Fang-tastic. If you guys can see that, inside is green. Let's see. Here's one that says Wicked. Let's see if she has any more. Love is Equal. This is a Halloween here as well. Trick or Treat. This purple one is Trick or Treat. Ghouls Night Out. Let's see. She has some little steel mugs right here. Pumpkin Love. Too cute to spook. This one back here says Magic, and that ceramic mug says Magical. Let's see what's down here. Did I see this one right here? Wicked Witch. And here's some little cute little, this is a mug and a little dog gift set here. $7.99 for those. All right, guys, and on this end cap right here, if you're looking for any type of decoration for Halloween, they have it all here. So they have some more cookie cutters here. You get 5 pieces. These are $4.99. Here's some spatulas here by Ray Dunn. You get 3 of these. $5.99. Here's some stemless wine glasses with the spiders. $9.99. Here's some wooden trays or wooden trays you can put hors d'oeuvres and things like that on. They come in small, medium, and large. The smaller one is $7.99 and they go up. There are some martini glasses right here with the skull bottoms. Not sure the price. And they have some little cute containers back here, guys. Let me see if I can get one of these out for you guys. What is this right here? This is a skull bottom bottle opener right here. Look at that. Very cute. Here is a 6-piece cookie stamp set with cookie cutters. $5.99. I'm gonna put that there. And these are the containers that I wanted to show you guys. These ones right here. Aren't those cute for Halloween? These are bamboo fiber mix. These are $5.99. And they have those gnomes up there at the top. It says Trick or Treat. Those are really cute by Ray Dunn. And these are going for $12.99. All right, guys, and the last thing I wanted to show you all of these different soaps right here for Halloween. They have the little characters on the front, the little dog. These ones, they all range in different prices. Look at this one right here. If I can get it out. With the skull face. You have this one, and it is going for $9.99. But yeah, the stores are getting ready to add their fall and Halloween items out, guys. Look at this one. This one is very nice. They have the little pumpkin one back here. I wonder if they have scents to those. This one right here has the snakes. This one right here. But they have a lot of nice ones. I'm going to come back for the fall. This is just a Halloween vlog to show you what Tjmaxx has to offer. But I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. And I will see you guys on the next video. I need to look at their purses as well. They have some nice purses coming out for the fall. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.